I'm going to make a series of movies here to show you how to work with Illustrator Basic. So if you go to the calendar and you look and see, for example, Illustrator Basics, and you click on it, it's going to say, hey, for exercise 2, that's where we're working, download Illustrator Basics. So you're going to start by downloading this. Now, you're not going to be able to download it if you haven't been logged into GAPS already, but you won't be able to see this calendar unless you logged into GAPS. And it's actually a 2-page document. So to download it, go over here to the side where it says download and click on that. And if you're working in Chrome like I asked you to, which I hope you are, down at the bottom of the Chrome box you can see that there's like a little thing that says Illustrator Handout.ai. So if I click on that and then click Show in Finder, here it is, Illustrator Handout. Okay, first things first, it's in your Downloads folder, and what we want to do is move it to Desktop and move it to a folder on the desktop. So I'm going to click here, so I'm back on the desktop and say Finder, New Finder window. You only have to do this once, by the way. Go to Desktop and click on this little gear thing, click New Folder, and I'm going to type in Graphic Design, okay? So now I've got this here, and watch this. So I've got Graphic Design open, and if I go Finder, New Finder window, right? So, and I go to Downloads, which to get there I click on my name and click on Downloads. So there it is. There's Illustrator Handout. I'm going to move it over here. Something else you want to do before we finish this, if everybody calls theirs Illustrator Basics handouts, what ends up happening is when we put these in Google Drive, they write over each other. So there's a way to solve that, but the easiest way to do this is simply to rename this. So if I come over here, oops, and I double click, it's going to open it in Illustrator, which is fine, but I also wanted to rename the file. So what I'm going to do is in my graphic design folder, if I go to Get Info, if I can't get the rename, and I go to Illustrator Basics Handouts, just call it instead like your last name and then like Basic. So it's your last name and then the word Basic. That's fine. All right. So everybody hopefully will have something different there. All right. So it's open now in Illustrator, and you're ready to get started working with this. I'm going to show you in the next couple of videos how to do this. I think in the first video I'll show you the second video coming up, how to use the line tools, and then I'll move on from there. So it's just a basic video on how to get it set up. You're going to want to move to the next video to know what to do next.